City Roadmaker is back and better than ever with version 2.0. These major updates bring a ton of new features, improvements, and bug fixes. Let's dive in and check what's new. When you open the blend file, you'll notice that City Roadmaker now includes 10 geometry node setups, a big upgrade from a single setup available in previous versions. Let's begin by exploring the two primary ones. For better clarity and arrangements, the settings are now organized into panels. Starting with the curve panel, you can now adjust the curve resolution directly within the geometry node modifier panel. You can flatten your curve along the z-axis, and one of the most requested features by City Roadmaker users is now available. Yes, City Roadmaker is export ready. Once you have made your adjustments, simply check the export ready box and convert the curve to a mesh. Your road will be fully UV mapped and ready to be exported in any format. Next up is the road panel, which has received a variety of new features and improvements. You can now choose from different asphalt type or pick your own. The new bridge system allows you to design a simple or complex overpass roads. Selecting a road marking is now more user-friendly, thanks to the new menu selection feature. You can also add bus and bicycle lanes, wetness, and more. Next, let's talk about the roadside panel, which has received its own set of new features, along with improved flexibility and user-friendliness, due to the menu selection and left-right control. This version introduced a new way to select roadside and curb types, sidewalk wetness, and the new plant variation and settings that would enhance greenery along your road. The My Props feature allows you to select and manage a collection of your favorite props. In the road medium panel, all features introduced in the roadside panel are now also available. In the junction panel, you can control the start and end point of the road, which we refer to as the junction exits. And finally, the extend panel. As the name suggests, it allows you to extend different parts of the road. It's mostly used with junctions. This geometry now truly has one main job: to merge what I call roads tongues and convert them into roads. It provides control over both road and roadsides, in addition to the junction panel where you can adjust the roadside bevel. Specifying the junction area range means that you can control all the city junctions at once, or you can control them individually. This version of City Roadmaker lets you separate the parts of your streets by using a different curve for each one, such as plants, lampposts, and other props. These features help you avoid handling heavy streets, especially for people with low-spec computers. Additionally, you can use marking line tree to create parking spot lines, or extensions to create bus stop lanes. This is all about the new features in City Roadmaker 2.0. Is there a feature you would like to see add? If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. For me, here are the features I'm considering for the future updates. You can find the link to the project in the description below. Thank you for watching.